Hey guys, want to make some passive income? Well, I'll show you how you can make 2,500 plus of passive income a week by doing little to nothing online. First, sign up for an account on Etsy. Then type in Instagram template. And you're going to see a bunch of Instagram templates for sale, but we're going to focus on one niche, and that's going to be real estate. So as you can see, this individual is selling an Instagram real estate template, and look at how many sales they're making for how much. So let's do the math. So 18,500 plus sales at $20 a pop equals $371,360. And all that seller had to do was get the template made, and then it just sold itself on Etsy. So let me show you how you're going to do it. Go to Fiverr. Look up Instagram post design. You're going to see a bunch of options. Keep scrolling until you find one related to real estate. Just like this one. And look at the price they're charging. $40 for 20 templates. So you're going to buy the Instagram templates off of Fiverr and then post them on Etsy. If you make 2 sales at $20 a piece, you make your money back. And if you're anything like the seller I showed you, you're going to make over $300,000. Follow me for more money making tips.